What if I told you that the key to better health and a transformed life is just a few sips away? Imaging just adding 5 simple ingredients to your daily cup of tea or coffee and witnessing the magic. Sounds too good to be true, right? Here are 5 ingredients you can add to your tea and coffee. Number 1. Turmeric. Turmeric can help reduce inflammation, boost immune function, and improve overall health. It contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. Number 2. Ginger. It contains gingerol, a compound that has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger can help soothe digestive issues, reduce nausea, and alleviate muscle soreness. Number 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve brain function. 4. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha can help reduce anxiety, improve sleep, and boost overall well-being. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb that has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Number 5. Matcha. Matcha is a finely ground powder made from specially grown and processed green tea leaves. Matcha can help boost energy, improve focus, and support a healthy immune system. These were our 5 ingredients that you can add to your tea or coffee. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.